In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do options Webull. We'll walk through setting up a paper trading workspace, finding an options contract, placing a paper order, and then managing or closing that position. Paper trading uses virtual money, so it's a safe way to practice without risking real cash. First, open your paper trading workspace. On the left sidebar, click Paper Trading. This takes you to a sandboxed account where every trade is simulated. Now choose a layout that works for you and make sure the Options tab is included. If you don't see it, look for a small plus button to add panels or pages, then add options to your paper workspace. Setting this up once will save you time later and keeps all the tools you need in one place. Next, find the option you want to trade. Start by searching for the underlying stock or ETF symbol in the search bar. Once you're on the quote page, tap or click Options to open the options chain. Here, you'll choose an expiration date and a strike price. Expiration is the last day the contract is valid, and strike is the price at which you have the right to buy or sell the underlying. Shorter expirations move faster but can be riskier. Longer expirations give you more time but usually cost more. Pick the combination that lines up with your trade idea. Now place a paper options order. In the options screen, tap the button labeled Option Trade or something similar. Select whether you want a call if you're bullish or a put if you're bearish. Enter the quantity, remembering that one contract typically controls 100 shares. Choose an order type. Market will try to fill immediately at the current price, while limit lets you set the maximum you're willing to pay or the minimum you're willing to accept. For practice, a limit order can help you control your fill price. When everything looks good, submit the order. It will execute in your paper account using virtual funds. Finally, manage and, when you're ready, close the trade. You can view, edit, or cancel open paper orders from your orders list if they haven't filled yet. To close a position that's already open, go to your options positions list, select the contract, and choose the option to sell or close it. Confirm the details, and your position will be exited in the paper account. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently practice options on Webull, refine your strategy, and build familiarity before trading with real money.